Igbo amaka, Igbo nwe ịhụnanya, Igbo onye Igbo sikwezuonu. This is AI. This is not the real me. So let me teach you how I achieve this.
Ẹlẹ́ran, ẹ fẹ́ ta ẹran fún mi lénìí, kí ló dé?
I created all these videos with free AI tools. You can make your images talk in different languages for free. You can create your videos in different languages. If you have a video idea in English or if you have a video in English that you want to create in other languages, this is very possible. You can make your images talk in different languages for free with perfect lip sync. So I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. I skipped the image generation process because I want to make this video as short as possible. If you want to know how to generate these images, please drop a comment in the comment section and I will create a detailed video on how I made all these images. So let's go.
So I went over to ChatGPT. I gave ChatGPT a prompt. ChatGPT did not generate the exact image I want. So what I did is I go over to Google. I I searched for the particular images I want. So I downloaded it. I went back to ChatGPT. So I uploaded all the images I want to create. So I told ChatGPT to generate exact image. So I prompted ChatGPT to generate exact image. So I told ChatGPT to change the face, change the attire, but the same style. So I described what I want, and ChatGPT gave me these images and this one, then these images as well. So these are the images I sent to ChatGPT to give me this one and this one. So ChatGPT gave me what I want after I gave ChatGPT my images. So the next thing I'll do is put it in the three languages what I want the images to say. So I'll pick on this one. So let me start with the Igbo language. So I'll click on the record. Ndị Igbo dị mma, anyị nwere ịhụnanya, anyị na-agba mbọ n'obodo anyị. So I'll click on stop. So I've recorded for the first one. So I'll also record for the Yoruba language. Ẹlẹ́ran, ẹ fẹ́ ta ẹran fún mi lénìí, kí ló dé? So I'll click on save. So I'll go back to my browser. I'll type MP4 to MP3 converter. So this is MP4 to MP3 converter. I'll click on choose file from device together and click on open. So these are the three files. So I'm going to click on convert. So my files are converting. So they are done. I'll click on download.
So go over to your Chrome browser. This is type lip sync AI. This is the interface for lip sync AI video. So click on these three lines here, click on talking photo. So it has two options: select avatar or upload photo. So I'm going to upload photo. I'm going to choose file. So I'm going to choose one of the images I generated from ChatGPT. So after uploading my image, it has two options: it's either upload audio or record audio. If you want to upload audio, you record the audio on your phone, convert it to MP3 and upload. If you want to record audio, just record audio directly on this website. So I'm going to record the audio directly on this website. So I'll click on record audio. My video is generating. So let's see. And this is very fast, very fast. So Igbo amaka, Igbo bụ eze, ndị Igbo na-agba mbọ. This is AI. This is not the real me.